Got a little 1966 C10 Chevy truck radio. Everything's been reconditioned on it, tuner and all. Now it has a conversion in it. It's AM FM stereo with auxiliary in, 180 watts out, 4-channel. Gonna fire it up, play a little music on it.
To us, let us help you get the word out, okay? You can
Gaslight Anthem are on set.
Friday, that's huge 10. Not gonna be.
Has treble and bass. Find the center on here, pump it twice. Now we're going to go to balance. We'll find what we want. Just let go of it, it'll beep once. Now we're back on treble and bass. Do all that with your toner. We're going to play a little music on the auxiliary end. Got the phone hooked up. Turn it on. All we gotta do is turn it off and right back on. Cycle the power one more time and go to AM.
And more money at stake than those that file in.
Off and back on, go right back to FM stereo. Stereo light, running light. Show you what it looks like at night.
Give them this is nuclear. Please. Ben and Huck.
Size coffee.
Food, all backed by our unbeatable price guarantee. Right now, save up to $7 on select varieties of dog food. PetSmart.
All in the original case. Face. Got a brand new set of knobs for it. Original. Good sound, a little radio.
Rolling 10 joints in a row.
Let's go. Brought to you by Marley Smoke Shop, the #1 smoke shop in the Ville.
Right back in.
We made a rule now. If you
There's your little 1966 C10. Thank you.